Hi, Mrs. Giroux here on day 15. The screen you see before you is what you should be looking at, the days you've missed, the days you need another recap or to review what we did on that day. Okay, so this is the day you'll look at. There are going to be two videos for today. The first one is Renaissance Art and the other one is our regular daily recap. You really need to watch both. The first one has a lot of information on Renaissance art, covers a lot of the artwork that you need to know on your art history list. All right, so what did we do today? Day 15. So we reviewed shape and form. We talked about the vocabulary list that's on the board. We reviewed what social commentary means. And then discussed how we were going to finish our project collage. So we went onto Pinterest and we looked at the Pinterest page, Unit 2, Shape and Form. There you will find definition videos, very short definition videos for collage, composition, and organic shapes and forms. It should be very helpful as you're finishing up your collage. We also looked at the word composition, and that's on there as well, about halfway down our Pinterest page. Composition is the arrangement of your elements. In this case, your subject matter, where your colors are going to be. It's taking in to consideration the overall picture. So it's your message that you're trying to get across in your social commentary piece, something you feel very, very strongly about. A person in our class gave the great definition. It's a cry out to society. You know, help, look at this. This needs fixing. And then we also talked about our social commentary as I defined it yesterday. All right, we've got a couple people that are finished and have turned that in, and so they're helping with the collaborative painting project in the background, or just on the background. It's an ongoing project, so you'll be able to participate in that. Again, we looked at the Shape and Form Pinterest videos. And we talked about what was coming up next week, which is our week on value. It's Unit 3 and it's value. You're going to be writing an art critique next week as well. We've already done description for one piece of artwork. We're going to try that description for this social commentary piece, so you'll be writing about your own work. The second part of an art critique is analysis, and you'll be analyzing your artwork using the elements and principles of design. And then the third step we will do on the same piece of artwork, the same social commentary piece, is interpretation. And that's where you're going to tell us about it. What is the meaning behind it? Why did you choose that? What are some other things that you want us to know while we're looking at that? All right, so grades are entered this week. Okay. And I've got one more example to show you of one of the social commentaries that was turned in. Really nice piece of artwork. It's a collage. The paper is glued down very well. Okay, they've got a few little craftsmanship errors, but very, very minor. You should not have any of the pencil lines showing, and the crispness and the way you're cutting the pieces is part of your craftsmanship grade. We went over the criteria for this project. It's your thoughts and ideas coming up with your own social commentary piece. It's your composition, how you're arranging everything on the piece of paper. Remember, your piece of paper is 12 by 18. That's your composition space. Okay? And then the third component was the craftsmanship, the cutting of the paper. If you are following directions with the glue, not to use too much glue, because when you press it down it'll squirt out the edges, and that is not good craftsmanship. Okay, and also that you needed to use the overlapping component of collage, and this person has done all of those pretty well, and he's got a good message behind this one too. All right, we hope to see you tomorrow, the next day, which is day 16, and we're starting our new unit, so please try to be here. Thanks. This is Ms. Giroux signing off. Bye.